Why does your scanner show the P0530 engine code? What does it mean? P0530 is a diagnostic trouble code for malfunction with the AC refrigerant sensor circuit. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected a malfunction in the AC refrigerant pressure sensor, possibly due to low or high pressure or a wiring issue. Under this circumstance, short-distance driving is permitted, but your vehicle should be repaired as soon as possible. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car. Faulty AC refrigerant pressure sensor, low refrigerant level. Wiring issues. Faulty electrical connectors. Faulty climate control head. Excessive system pressure. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles. It can appear in various vehicles, but it's particularly common in Chevrolet, Ford, Volvo, Dodge, Hyundai, Vauxhall, Honda, Nissan, Renault, Alfa Romeo, and others. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.